Hello guys, this is Kevin Auto Insider here. So today we are going to learn few things about fuel pump, how it works, signs when faulty, the maintenance process. Okay, so this what we call the fuel pump. Okay, sometimes when faulty can give you a very bad experience. So I'm going to dismantle this fuel pump. Okay, and do some checkup on this fuel pump. Okay, so what I'm holding here, this is what we call the fuel filter. You can see it's very dirty. It's a result of bad fuel in the tank. Okay, so when this happen, it will give you a very bad experience. One, you'll also have a poor acceleration, lack of power, and also car may even stop and give you a very hard time. If you don't have enough batteries, your car will always have a very bad hard start. Okay, so we need to always do some maintenance, ensure you give the best fuel. Okay, not contaminated, and you'll never regret. Actually, it will give you a very good service before you do a maintenance. Okay, so ensure that you always do some checkup on fuel pump. Okay, be it diesel, this one for Land Rover, or petrol. Do some maintenance and it will give you a very good experience. Okay, remember to subscribe. This is Kevin Auto Insider. Let's meet in the next one.